In Filament, we can also go ahead and add a tooltip to a column. We could, for example, go in here and have, this is the user's full name. When we hover over here, we get this helper text here, which essentially indicates that this is the user's full name. Now, we can also go ahead and have things such as time tooltip that may be more useful in something like the text column for verified ad. Now, obviously, this is maybe not the correct one here, but just set date in here, and you can see we have January 1st if we hover over it, which will give us basically the time by hovering over the text. Now, we also have other options in here, such as date and empty tooltip and ISO datetime tooltip, but you can go through those yourself, but essentially it does pretty much the same thing.